Good afternoon everyone. Today our team will be presenting about Sustainable Development Goals 15, which is life on land. SDG 15 mainly focuses on protecting, restoring and promoting land ecosystems. It mainly aims to stop desertification, to manage forests with responsibility and to save plants and animals from extinction. Now let's see how our stories are connected with SDG. The story I've chosen is The Sky and the Cat by U.R. Ananthamurthy. This story beautifully explores curiosity, imagination, and how living beings are connected with nature. Um, this story revolves around a cat that spends most of its time gazing at the sky, dreaming of touching the clouds. It believes that the true beauty and happiness lies only up in the sky. But as the time passes, the cat slowly realizes that the true beauty and happiness not only lies up in the sky, but also in the world around it. So we humans are also like that. We keep on chasing the things that is unreachable, and we forget to live in the present. We forget to admire the beauty and the simple things that we already have. Now let's see how the story connects with SDG 15. SDG 15 is about protecting plants and animals and to live in harmony with nature. So we humans are completely dependent in nature, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. So we need to ensure that we save plants and animals and to protect our earth and provide a beautiful, balanced and healthy planet for future generations. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I will be talking about The Pomegranate Tree, written by William Saroyan. About the author. William Saroyan was an American writer of Armenian descent. William Saroyan was well known for his optimistic story writing that celebrates everyday life and human kindness. His works often explore themes like childhood, family, nature and friendship. The story Pomegranate Tree is about William Saroyan. After many years, William Saroyan returns to his...
No, I'm looking at you, not at Venkatesh.
After many years, William Saroyan returns to his hometown, expecting for a reunion with his friends. He came across one of his childhood friends, and they were discussing about their past memories and childhood nature. So they came across a pomegranate tree which they used to play when they were children. They were surprised because the pomegranate tree wasn't there at that time, and the pomegranate tree disappeared from the roots. This explains that as the time changes, through this, Saroyan shows a powerful truth that nothing stays the same forever. People grow up, places change, and even nature moves on. Yet, the memories and bonds of friendship remains alive in our hearts. This story connects beautifully with SDG 15 because the pomegranate tree presents in deep connection between humans and nature. It gives fruits, shade and happiness to children, showing how nature supports and nourishes us both physically and emotionally. Saroyan's stories reminds us to respect and care for nature, to live in balance with it, and to find joy through peace in its presence. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. The name of my story is The Cat Talk. This is written by Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was an influential Indian writer who was also known as the founding father of Indian English novel, and He was also remembered on his writings upon the poor and oppressed classes. In this story, we get to know about the frog's greed and pride, how it killed him. So let's start with the story. The story tells us about a pond in which a frog used to live. He was very proud of his size and he would look upon small creatures and feel very superior to them. And he feels that if he is bigger and powerful, he would be the king of whole pond. On one fine day, he was walking and found some people speaking about an ox and praising for his size. To prove people wrong, he started puffing himself up, and despite some people's warning, he started to grow himself and to bigger sizes, and until he died out of getting burst of his size. This tells us about the human greed and self-importance, and tells us that human greed and pride can lead to one's downfall. This story connects to the SDG 15 in the following ways. The pond in this story represents an ecosystem in which all the creatures has its own role, and just like frog burst himself, nature also bursts under excessive exploitation and can lead to climatic changes, the loss of species and other natural calamities. The story reminds us that every creature, whether big or small, has its own role in the environment, and it should be proud of his size and shape. The story tells us that the greed and pride can lead to one's downfall, and as we can see that the ox was bigger than the fat frog, so frog was very jealous of his size and he wanted to become as big as the ox, so he started to push himself, and this tells us that one should be satisfied with his size and body. And at last the frog's desire of being biggest and powerful tells us that he was very greedy and
thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My story is a lesson on a tortoise by D.H. Lawrence. About the author. D.H. Lawrence was often known for his controversial work exploring sexuality, dehumanizing effect of modern industrial society. Lesson on a tortoise by D.H. Lawrence is set on a classroom in a school. The last lesson on Friday's afternoon, the teacher Lawrence brought a tortoise named Joey for students to observe and draw. The lesson begins positively with excited students and warm sunlight. However, when some rubbers go missing, the species and prejudices disturb the atmosphere. Lawrence's initial assumption about who stole the rubber reveals his own biases against some students. After a secret ballot, it's found that the suspected culprit was not who Lawrence expected, but the boy does not confess himself. This experience leaves Lawrence disappointed. The tortoise determined journey shows that consistent effort, even at a slow rate, will eventually lead to success. And like for students, like learning new skills, like programming or electronics, the small effort, much like tortoise steps, build up large achievement over time. The tortoise patience and perseverance serves an immediate turns in one process, even when results are not immediately visible.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Madhuswaran. Today I am going to present the story of Ruskin Khan, the leopard. About author. Ruskin Khan is one of the most loved authors in India, especially in simple and heart-touching stories set in the hills. He was born in 19 May 1934 in Kasari, Himachal Pradesh. Most of his life has been spent in Mussoorie. Surrounded by nature, wild towns, which inspire many of his stories. Now let us proceed to the summary of the story. The story describes the narrator's peaceful life in a quiet province full of wildlife. The deers, birds, angus, foxes live freely, and soon they become friendly with you. One evening he saw a beautiful leopard watching him from behind a rock. It looked at him peacefully and disappeared into the forest. Later hunters arrived, saying a leopard was nearby. Soon they killed the leopard and carried his lifeless body away. The narrator felt a deep sadness as if the lively forest turned silent, as if the animals mourned the loss. The story ends with a reflection on human greed, showing how man-given power over nature often destroys the beauty, we should protect. The story relates to the SDG-15, showing animals live safely when the forest left alone, but humans hunting for profit can harm them. Protecting wildlife and forest keeps nature's balance and harmony alive. The story teaches us to respect the nature, avoid greed, protect forest, so animals and humans can live in harmony. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to explain the story Tiger in the Tunnel by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19 May 1934 in Kasari. He is one of India's most beloved authors, known for his alternative story about nature and still life. His contribution to literature made him earn awards like Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. Summary of the story. The Tiger in the Tunnel by Ruskin Bond is a story about harmony between humans and nature. Valdio, a railway watchman, who lives with his wife son Jembua near the tunnel in deep forest. His responsibility is to ensure the tunnel is safe for the night mail train that passes through the tunnel. One day, carrying a lantern and his father sir, he goes to inspect the tunnel for the night mail train.
Sandhya, leave. And you too, Nanda.
Suddenly he encounters a fearless tiger near the tunnel. A brave struggle ensues and Baldio owns the tiger and he was killed in between the fight. The train passes through the tunnel safely. By crushing the tiger laying on the track. The next morning, Tembu learns of his father's death. Despite his grief, he courageously decided to take up his father's job, symbolizing respect for both nature and work. SDG 15. This story relates to SDG 15 life on land as it highlights the forest as wildlife habitat and shows the importance of respecting and coexisting with nature. impact on our life. The story teaches us the importance of respecting nature and wildlife, showing that bravery goes hand in hand with protecting the nature. Thank you.